Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your phone meets basic requirements and freeing space. Once done, open the Play Store or prepare a trusted APK source. You want an iOS-style keyboard app with good reviews. Make sure you enable app installs from safe sources only and avoid random files. You also should back up any current keyboard settings so you can revert. This prepares your device for a clean install and minimizes surprises during the next steps. Now install the chosen keyboard and open its setup wizard. You will grant input method permission so the app can capture key presses and, if needed, storage access for themes. Once granted, go to Settings System Languages and Input and select the new keyboard as your default. You should also import or enable iOS themes inside the app. Once applied, adjust layout size and keypress sound. These changes make the keyboard behave and look like iOS. Finish by testing typing in several apps, checking emoji, predictive text, and special characters. If autocorrect or swipe feels off, tweak those settings inside the keyboard app until typing is comfortable. Make sure secure fields still use safe input and that clipboard permissions are limited if privacy concerns arise. If the keyboard lags or crashes, clear its cache, reboot the phone, or reinstall the app and reconfirm permissions. If problems persist, switch back to your previous keyboard and try another iOS-style alternative.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.